Did you know that using the right YouTube tags can increase your video's visibility by over 50%? Join me as I dive deep into the world of YouTube tags and challenge myself to find out what makes them super effective for boosting views. YouTube tags are one of the most powerful tools for video optimization, yet they are often overlooked by creators. By using the right tags, you can significantly increase your video's visibility, reach a wider audience, and ultimately drive more views and engagement. Many creators underestimate the importance of tags, thinking they are not a big deal. But the truth is, tags have been a crucial part of YouTube's algorithm for years, helping the platform understand what your content is about and who might be interested in it. I have seen many creators miss out an opportunity simply because they didn't take the time to optimize their tags. Some even believe that tags don't matter as much as they used to, but that's a misconception. The way you use tags might have evolved over time, but their impact on your video's discoverability is still significant. YouTube itself has emphasized the importance of tags in its creator guidelines, so it's essential to get them right. To make matters worse, not using tags effectively can lead to your content being misclassified or not showing up in search results at all. Imagine creating a great video only to have it go unnoticed because of a simple oversight like this. It's worth taking the time to do it right. So, what are YouTube tags exactly? Simply put, tags are keywords or phrases that you add to your video's metadata to help YouTube understand its content. There are different types of tags, including broad terms, specific keywords, and even misspelled variations that can capture accidental searches. You can also use long tail tags, which are more specific phrases that have lower search volumes but are also less competitive. This can be a smart strategy to rank higher in search results for niche topics. Another key aspect is that tags can be used to target different regions or languages, making your content more accessible to a global audience. But there is the thing, you cannot just throw a bunch of tags at your video and expect it to perform well. You need to choose them strategically based on what your target audience is searching for. So, how do you select effective tags? It starts with keyword research. You need to understand what your audience is searching for and what terms they are using to find content like yours. There are many tools out there that can help you with this, from Google Trends to specialized keyword finders. Once you have a list of potential tags, think about viewer intent. What are people looking for when they search for a term? Are they looking for information, entertainment, or something else? By understanding this intent, you can tailor your tags to match what your audience wants, increasing the chances that they will click on your video. In conclusion, YouTube tags play a critical role in maximizing your video's visibility and engagement. By taking the time to choose the right tags, you can reach a wider audience and drive more views. If you are interested in learning more about YouTube SEO, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I will upload videos related to YouTube SEO soon. I would love to hear about your experiences with tags in the comments. Do you have any tips or strategies that have worked for you?